Good morning, children. Saira, and today we are going to do active English revision of chapter 22. So, in the last two sessions, we learned chapter 22. We have already learned chapter 22. I hope you must have written the answer. So, today we are going to check that answer. Okay, so make sure you sit with your active English book, pen or pencil, and an eraser. So, have you all finished chapter 22? Answers are over. It was a very easy chapter. Yes. So, if you have not done with your answers, you can write the answers now. So, chapter 22. Sentences in the two sentences are given in each question, and you have to change the sentence without changing its meaning. So it was so simple. What did I tell you? You have to add the word after in the beginning, and instead of full stop you have to do comma and this then cut. Just write it out in all the questions and just copy down remaining words. Okay, so first one, he got home, full stop, then he did his homework. So answer, after he got home, comma, he did his homework. Now same way, second one, she read one book, full stop, then she got another from the library. So answer, after she read one book, comma, she got another from the library. Okay. Now number 3, he finished reading the newspaper. Then he went to sleep. After he finished reading the newspaper, comma, he went to sleep. So do not forget to add the word after. Number 4, she went to sleep. Then her father came home. After she went to sleep, comma, her father came home. So after teacher is reading the answers, just check whether your answers is right or wrong. If it is wrong, cut and write. If you have written with your pencil, erase and write. I hope you must not have done any mistake because it is so damn easy chapter. And number 5, he ate his dinner. He went out to play. After he ate his dinner, comma, he went out to play. Number 6, the teacher went outside. Then the children began to talk and play. Is it your favorite sentence? Yes, it is your favorite sentence, I know. Because when the teacher is not there in the class, you keep talking, you start talking to your friends and play, right? So what is the answer? After the teacher went outside, comma, the children began to talk and play. And number 7, he did his work. Then he went to see his friend. After he did his work, comma, he went to see his friend. And when you are reading the answer, how will you read? After he did his work, he went to see his friend. You are not going to say comma. So wherever comma is there, you have to just give a pause. So how will you read? After he did his work, he went to see his friend. And number 8. The teacher drew a picture on the blackboard. Then the class copied it into their books. So after the teacher drew a picture on the blackboard, the class copied it into their books. And number 9, last one, the examination began. Then she felt much better. So after the examination began, she felt much better. So this page number 50, it's so simple. So I hope you must have written the date also. Now let's move on to the next page. So the table was given. You are just going to frame the join and write and make a sentences. Make sentences. You are going to make 14 sentences. So I told anyhow you can make, right? So I will tell you a story. So you write first sentence, second sentence, third sentence. First sentence, I will tell you a story. We can go home. We shall stop work. You can copy this 3 and then you can write one time when, another time after. So I will tell you a story when the lesson has started. I will tell you a story after the lesson has started. And you can also write, we can go home when the bell has rung. We can go home after the bell has rung. Or you can write, we shall stop work when the lesson has ended. Or we shall stop work after the lesson has ended. We can stop work after when the bell has rung. Or we shall stop work when we have finished the work. Or we shall stop work after the bell has rung. We shall stop work after the bell has rung. We shall stop work after we have finished the work. Anyhow you can write it. So here we'll check the answer. So number 1 is already given. Number 2, we shall stop work when the bell has rung. Number 3, I will tell you a story after the lesson has ended. So I told you to write first sentence. I will tell you, we can go home, we shall stop work. So here you have that in the table. Then write, use one time after, when, after, when. Then the third column, you can write anything. You can choose anything, whatever you want. So in this way also you can write. So number 3, I will tell you a story. I will tell you a story after the lesson has ended. We can go home when the bell has rung. We shall stop work after the lesson has ended. Number 6, 7, 8. So again I will tell you a story. We can go home. We shall stop work. So you can see here, I will tell you a story. We can go home. We shall stop work. So when, after, when, after. Okay. So I will tell you a story when the bell has rung. We can go home after the lesson has ended. We shall stop work when we have finished the work. Number 9. I will tell you a story after we have finished the work. We can go home after the bell has rung. We shall stop work after the bell has rung. We can go home when the lesson has ended. I will tell you a story after the bell has rung. And we shall tell you a story. Sorry, here we shall tell you a story. Sorry, here I will tell you a story. Here I will tell you a story when the lesson has ended. Okay, so anyhow you can make the sentences. So 14 sentence, and see to that your sentences are not repeated. Okay, so after you finish, what you will do? Click the picture and send it to me in the WhatsApp. So thank you, children. So see you in the next video with another new chapter. Bye bye.